So we've been on the search for the perfect dog ramp for our long-haired miniature dachshund. We've had a number of different ramps. We've had the stair type, we've had the type that fold out and are more storable. We rearranged our bedroom, and one of the issues that we were having is we needed a ramp that could go up against our bed. So this ramp here, you can see, is flush up against our bed, and then the ramp itself, our dog's able to easily run up and jump up on the bed. It's got these side rails here, which I like, that help protect if he does jump a little bit too far. It just gives a little bit of extra security. Not there to really prevent a large dog, would probably knock these over, but it works really well for our small dachshund. The ramp itself has carpet along here, and it's got some little ridges that help them get traction. Up at the top, we have this base here that's flat. So you have the ramp section, and then you've got the flat section, like the little platform before they jump onto your bed. I like that style a little bit better than some of the others that I've seen. The one thing with this dog ramp is, or I guess cat ramp, it is not storable. So you build it, it is set. This angle here is set. Because of that, it is able to have a more shallow ramp. So it is a really long, shallow ramp. Over here, we do have a base, and it has some wheels back here. So you can move it. If you pick it up from right here, you can move it on its wheels and then put it back down wherever you need it to go. So it's extremely sturdy. It'll even hold me to be able to walk up on the bed. So if you have a larger dog, it will work for them. Like a larger elderly dog, this would be a perfect ramp for them. Comes in a number of different colors. We did the darker tone because it fits with our bedroom. These side rails don't actually affix to the dog ramp. They come out like this, which means there are actually these little indents on either side, so it can face either this way, or you can spin it around and put the handrails on the other side. So these just slide in and out. If you wanted them to be more secure, you could use some wood glue or something like that to hold them in there. It comes unassembled. Here are all of the different parts. It was relatively easy for us to put together. Took maybe about a half an hour to put all of the parts together.